Hi students, now you understood about the determinant and in the determinant how to see the exercise 4.1 and 4.2. Now we have to move to the next one. By using determinant, we can find the area of a triangle ABC. Suppose in a triangle ABC, coordinate of ABC having the vertices A is x1, y1, B is x2, y2 and C is x3, y3. Then the area of a triangle ABC is half modulus of D, where D is a determinant formed by the coordinate of ABC of a triangle ABC. So determinant D is determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1, which we can solve by using the determinant value of third order x1 into y2 minus y3 minus y1 into x2 minus x3, we press this, and 1 into x2 y3 minus y2 x3. See, this value may be sometime negative, but the area is always positive. That's why we have to keep a modulus sign. I show you one sum based on this. In a triangle ABC, A27, B11 and C10, 8 given. Find area of the triangle ABC. So first we find out the determinant D. That can be said 2, 7, 1, 1, 1, 1, 10, 8, 1. If I simplify this, then it will be 2 into 1 minus 8 is minus 7. Minus 7 into 1 into 1, 1 minus 10 plus 1 into 8 minus 10. So this should be minus 14 minus this minus 3 into minus 7 is plus 21. So it should be 21 minus 16 is what? 5. So area of triangle ABC is a half modulus of D. So it becomes what? 5. This is a sum of the exercise number 4.3. See, sometimes you get the determinant is 0. But the area of the triangle is 0. In that case, we say that ABC becomes collinear points. So if determinant of ABC is 0, you can say that condition for the collinear points. Now in your textbook, few sums are given like this. See, if your A is minus 2, 0, B is 0, 4 and C is 0, K. And area of a triangle ABC is 4. Find this K. Means in the triangle ABC, coordinate of A is minus 2, 0, B is 0, 4 and C is 0, K. If the area is a 4, find the value of K. So first we find out the determinant D. Can I say minus 2, 0, 1, 0, 4, 1, 0, K. If we solve, then it is minus 2 into, say 4 minus K. This element is 0, so we don't write 1 into this, because 0 into K is 0 into 4. So it becomes what? Minus 8 minus minus plus 2K, because this side is 0. This is the value of a D. Now we have area of a triangle ABC is what? 4. But the formula is a half modulus of D is 4. So modulus of D is 8. So D is what? Plus or minus 8. When you remove the modulus sign, opposite you have to makes a plus or minus. But D is what? 2K minus 8. So you can say 2K minus 8 is plus or minus 8. Now once we take a plus and once we take a minus, means 2k minus 8 is minus 8, or 2k minus 8 is plus 8. So 2k is 0, so k is 0. This is the first value. Here you can say 2k is 16, so k is what? 8. Understood? So on the base of only one formula, area of a triangle ABC is a half mode of D, you can solve these two type of sums from the exercise number 4.3. Last formula in this section, see 4.3. Equation of a line passing through ax1 y1 and bx2 y2. Actually, this equation of the line you have seen last year in a straight line. You have a formula equation of the line passing through two distinct points. ax1 y1 bx2 y2 is x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1. जो आपने 11th में देखा था. Now the same thing we can find out by using determinant. Equation of the line passing through ax1 y1 and bx2 y2 is a determinant x y1 because it's a variable, x1 y1 1 and x2 y2 1. You can solve x1 y1 minus y2 minus y x1 minus x2 plus 1 x1 y2 minus y1 x2. Now we can use this formula for finding that equation of the line. Suppose to be they give you a equation, something number 1. A is 2, 3 and B is minus 4, 1. This is your x1, y1. This is your x2, y2. The thing is what? Find out equation of the line passing through these two distinct points. So equation of line, you can say x, y1, 2, 3, 1 minus 4, 1, 1 is, you can say x bracket, just you see 3 minus 1 is 2 minus y into 2 plus 4 is 6 and 1 into 2 plus 12 is 14. So it is what? 2x minus 6y plus 14 is. You can take out 2 common, so it is what? X minus 3y plus 7. This is the equation of the line passing through two distinct points, ax1 y1 and bx2 y2. You understood? So only these two formula and you have to solve the exercise number 4.3. Now the next point is, see, it's regarding the cofactor and minor of the element. Please see. I just repeat again. See. This is a very good point. Minor of an element. Okay. Suppose to be any determinant D given A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32. और ये जानबूझ के मैंने इस तरह लिया है, in place of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. I took this way. A11 represent what? Element of first row, first column. A12 is the element of first row, second column. A13 first row, third column. A21 second row, first column. A22 second row, second column. A23 second row, third column. A31 third row, first column. A32 third row, second column. And A33 third row, third column. Now question is, how we find minor of a minor of A11, which we represent as capital M11, minor of a 11. What we do? So we remove the elements of the row and column in which this A11 present. तो ये सारे के सारे A11 present in the first row and in this first column. The remaining element we write in the second order determinant. So it becomes what? A22, A23, A32. Is that clear? This also you can express A232, A33 minus A23, A32. Is that clear? अब मैं पूरा नहीं लिखूंगा, अब जरा ध्यान रखो. Minor of A12 that we write M12 means first row, second column. The element we keep it as it is. So it will be what? A21, A23, A31, A33. Similarly, minor of A13 that becomes M13 means first row, third column. So ये चार एलिमेंट आएंगे. So that would be A21, A22, A31, A32. I hope you understand. उसी तरह minor of A21 that we write as N21 is what? A21 is this element, is second row, first column. अगर इस तरह आप रिमूव करोगे तो फर्स्ट रो एलिमेंट एंड थर्ड रो एलिमेंट रिमेन्स. सो यू कैन से A12, A13, A232, so like this you have to find out all the 9 component of the determinant in the form of minor of that respective element. Understood? But see, in this determinant, when you multiply minus 1 raised to I plus j to this mij, mij is what? Minor of ith row and jth column. This M11, the minor of first row, first column. Minor of first row, second column. Minor of first row, third column. So mij is what? Ith row, minor of ith row, jth column. The thing is, when we multiply minus 1 raised to I plus j to this mij, it becomes a cofactor of that element. And cofactor of that element we represent as aij, capital letter. Capital aij is a cofactor of ith row, jth column. Okay, I and j respectively represent ith row and j column. If we multiply minus 1 raised to I plus j to that respective minor, it becomes cofactor of that element, where I is what? Number of row, and j is number of column in which that element present. So in that case, A11 is what? So say cofactor of 1, 1. You can see here. You can use this. Minus 1 raised to what? I plus j means 1 plus 1. And that determinant M11 we write as it is A22, A23, A32, A33. So it becomes minus 1 raised to 2 is plus. But the calculation part A22, A33 minus A23, A32. Understood? Similarly, minor of A12 you have. The cofactor of A12 is what? So minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. And the elements we write it from this A21, A23, A31, just you have to simplify. A13 is what? So say minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3. The elements in the determinant we write A21, A22, A31, A32. Understood? Similarly, capital A21 is minus 1 raised to I plus n is 2 plus 1. It's the element of second row first column is A12, A13 and A32, A33. So are you clear about the whole process of finding minor of a element of the determinant and a cofactor of the elements of the determinant? Now I show you one example how you find directly. अब ये पूरा लिखना है आपको तो ही समझ में आएगा. You have to write whole thing in your notebook and then only you clear about that. See, I just one example. D is determinant of 4, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 5. अगर मैं सिंप्लीफाई करूं तो क्या होगा? 4 into 5 minus 2 is 3. Minus 3 into 10 minus 2 is 7. Plus 1 into 2 minus 1 is 1. Again, 4 into 5 minus 2 is 3. Minus 3 into 5 is 10 minus 2 is 8. Sorry, just mistake. 10 minus 2 is 8 and 1 into 2 minus 1 is 1. So it is a 12 minus 24 plus 1. So it is what? Minus 11. Forget about that we use later on. But I want A11, cofactor of the element. So we can say minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. Determinant of what? Just press this. So 1, 2, 1, 5. So it become what? ये तो प्लस ही हो जाएगा. 5 minus 2 is 3. A12. So minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. Determinant of first or second column. So 2, 2, 1, 5. 2, 2, 1, 5. So this is minus 1 raised to 3 is minus 10 minus 2. This becomes minus 8. A13 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3. Determinant of 2, 1, 1, 1. So this is plus 2 minus 1 is 1. अब डायरेक्ट आप लिख सकते हैं A21 minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1. Determinant of second row first column is 3, 1, 1, 5. So this is minus of 15 minus 1 is what? A22. So minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2. Determinant of. So you can say second row, second column we have to place 4, 1, 1, 5. So this should be plus 20 minus 1 is 823. So minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3. Minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3. So it is what? The second row, third column means what? 4, 3, 1. So it should be minus of 4 minus 3 is what? Minus 1. अब उसी तरह आप ढूंढ सकते हैं A31. So minus 1 raised to 4 is plus. First row, first column. So 6 minus 1 is 5. I'm not writing. A32. So minus 1 raised to 5 is minus. Just do like this. So 4 to the 8 minus 2 is minus 6. And A33 is what? So plus, just press in this set. 4 minus 6 is what? Minus 2. So in this way, we get it, the cofactor of the each and every element. I write in the determinant form, huh? So it will be what? 3 minus 8, 1. 14, 19, okay, minus 1, and last one 5 minus 6 minus 2. Now one important thing we have to see, if we multiply the element of any row, this 1 and a 5, third row element, with their cofactor only, मैं उसी को उनके ही cofactor से multiply कर रहा हूँ. And if we multiply the element of any row with their cofactor, क्या मिल रहा है? चलो देखो, 5 minus 6 minus 10, so it should be minus 11, and that is your value of determinant D. That is your value of determinant. So this is one of the important theorem. If we multiply, seventh theorem, that is, if we multiply element of any row or column with their cofactor, you will get it what? Value of determinant. जरूरी नहीं है, मैंने यहाँ रो लिया, I take a column, समझो first column लेता हूँ, 4 2 1, so this 4 2 1, I multiply with their cofactor, 4 into 3 plus 2 into 14 plus this 5. 4 2 1, we multiply with this 3 14 and 5. That should be what? Something wrong. 3 14 and 3 minus 8 1, 14 19 and minus 1. Okay, and this third one is 5 minus. Okay, forget about this. I go for the next one. See, if you multiply element of any column like 1 2 5 लेता हूँ this time, 1 2 5. If I multiply those respective or cofactor, 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 2. So this should be 1 minus 2 minus 10 is what? Minus 11. That is also value of determinant. But now another point. If we multiply elements of any row with the another cofactor, elements of the cofactor of the another element, जैसे 115 is a third row, 115 is a third row,